Okay, before our next question, Daniel, would you like to say hi first?
Yes, hello po. Kumusta po? Hello. Nahiya ako eh. Sorry, konti lang late ako. Pero magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for coming. At ready kami po to answer lahat ng mga tanong niyo.
Okay, follow-up question from Dessa.
The three gentlemen, for the concert, is anybody going to be, you think, specialize in like the dancing, the singing, or maybe the skills, the talking? Lahat ba kayo are going to do the same thing, or will you specialize in your talents?
Yes, Daniel? O JC?
Well, masasabi ko lang lahat surprise. And hindi niya rin malalaman kung anong gagawin namin. Pero lahat magiging surprise. Well, hindi ko lang kay Daniel baka mag-topless. Hindi ako sure.
Si Mateo na lang yun. Well, syempre we are excited to perform para sa inyo. At syempre merong maraming surprises, JC said. Siguro baka we'll perform with guitar or sayaw sa Mateo. Yes, kasama si Erich po. So, exciting.